Satu, dua, tiga, action. Yeah, what is up guys? Fahan here with Za once again, and today we have another helmet review courtesy of Chong Ike.
Yes.
So we are today not reviewing lah, more like unboxing lah. We are unboxing the TRAX TG-263 open face helmet.
This helmet TRAX is kau punya
blocking.
baru nampak.
He's covering us, you see.
The TRAX helmet is available at Chong Ike, and Chong Ike is the official dealer for TRAX helmet in Singapore. TRAX helmet is actually the in-house brand of Chong Ike.
Yes, and this is surprising. We never know this.
Yeah, I mean, all this while we thought that TRAX is like some European brand, you know?
Brand, right? I think, I always thought of that lah. But sekali is a local brand, guys. Support local, guys.
Yes. So this is the in-house brand by Chong Ike, and it is PSB approved, and it is available at most of the bike shops.
Yes. So just to let you guys know, there's actually two design options for this TRAX TG-263 model. They have a choice of one color, plain colored helmet. Yeah, or one with design,
graphic design.
Yes. But what we have here is actually there are three new additional designs.
Chong Ike designers themselves design three new variants of the helmet. So now let's do the unboxing.
Yeah, I know you guys love this, man. I love to do unboxing videos actually. So we actually brought the box back home. Usually the box we leave in the bike shop one.
So usually we discard
the bike shop because it's convenient. Some even buy straight away wears. But for this video we actually brought back the box, and just to give a bit of attention about the box, it's yellow in color. Top is black, so it has a really premium feel to it lah. And yeah, let's do the unboxing. So both of us actually got different designs. So we actually both of us got different designs. As you can see, the helmet bag itself, the standard helmet bag with the TRAX logo on it lah. Yeah, so typical helmet bag, just unloosen the strap. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. So Za is the
white. White with like red blue graphics.
And mine is the black with a bit of red and grey graphics lah, with some white accents.
Why do you like this one?
Oh, actually I like this one because it has the nice TRAX logo here. Yes.
One thing I like about this helmet is pretty light, you know.
It's pretty light, Yeah. So we're gonna give you guys a spec sheet, but other than that, there's also the instructional booklet here.
The usual one.
Okay lah, so basically they just show you how to operate the helmet lah, how to put the helmet using the D-ring.
Okay.
Yeah, I know you're laughing lah, but I think maybe P-platers, when they just first got the helmet, they don't know anything.
Actually, there are people who actually have no clue how to
use the D-ring.
use this thing, you know, because I peel-in a lot of people, guys and girls, and then there are some people who actually like very confused. How
lagi they cannot see
if guy alah, this also cannot.
If girl, I do for you. You also like, right? This is a typical open face helmet with the visor and everything, and then there's also the vents on the top here. Using a switch.
You know one thing I like about this thing lah kan?
This plastic film
Yes, this plastic film, right? No, it's actually quite clear, you know.
It's quite clear, yes.
It's quite clear compared to other helmets that we've bought before, you know. The plastic film will be like very blurrish, you know.
Yeah.
This one is pretty clear, you know. I would actually love to ride with leaving this on.
But unfortunately, there's some labels on it, so you have to remove it eventually lah.
Oh well, I just need this side, this to see.
Cannot lah, Za. You need both lah. You need all of it lah, please. Okay, so for the price range, right? The one color, which is the no design one, is $80. Plain design.
Plain lah.
Plain, okay.
The plain helmet, plain color helmet is $80, and the helmets with graphic designs are sold at $90.
So they have a wide selection of the graphics design, but then these two are the latest one from them.
Yes.
Yeah. So
actually there are three.
There are three. Yes. These two is one of the three lah. So the material is actually made of ABS plastic. So this is actually a very scientific name. I actually Google on this. Yeah, and this ABS plastic is impact resistant, tough, and also rigid. So yeah lah. not resistant.
Important it's light.
Yes, correct.
Important it's light. And the ventilation wise, no, I see there is a front ventilation.
Yes,
and then
correct.
there's a rear ventilation.
Yes. The rear one is not adjustable lah. The top one is adjustable. Yes.
Yeah, you can open and close. You know, this reminds me of the Subaru WRX.
Hood scoop.
The hood scoop.
So can say you're driving a Subaru lah. So the weight is actually 1.5 kg. And I think for me it's quite light lah. And not only that lah, it has removable inner lining lah. So it's actually washable. Washable lah. Washable. Yeah, washable. And I think this one most important for you especially.
Yes.
The retractable inner sunshade visor. And for us in Singapore, you know, generally for riders operating the bike, not the pillion, usually they don't allow tinted visors.
Tinted and
Okay, so we're gonna wear it and give you guys our first impressions of it lah, basically.
you know, I like. Okay. There's actually three
fins.
Three.
Oh, did you know that, sir?
One,
it's really
two.
blended inside the design. They're wearing the helmet for the first time now. Let's see. Okay, pretty stuck fit. Mine is actually a large.
Botak.
Zai is botak, by the way, just to let you guys know. So pretty snug, I think. I think over time it may get more comfortable to wear lah. Because this one is the first time I'm wearing it.
Let's see without.
Cannot put your stacks lah.
Cannot.
Okay lah, not that easily. You need to squeeze in. Maybe haven't season, I think.
The problems of glasses.
The problems of glasses lah. Maybe at first you need to you need to take out your glasses first lah.
No lah, I think okay macam gini.
Oh, stretch it out lah, bidding.
For those wearing glasses, right? It doesn't actually press.
Yeah, it doesn't press here.
You actually very comfortable enough, and there's sort of macam longkang gitu tau.
Oh really? There's a space lah basically.
This actually
some space here.
Some space for the glass, the apa tu orang panggil tu, the tangkai dia.
I don't know lah. Whatever lah.
The glasses.
But there's some space for your glasses to sit comfortably lah basically.
Yep.
It's standard D-ring, so just to let you guys know without looking like this Okay, I think it's very comfortable actually
There's some room over my head.
Yes, over your head.
Some space on my head so that it's not too hot, you know. It allows the air to circulate around there.
Visor straightforward lah. Put down.
You know, I like the visor. It's pretty cool,
Oh yeah, there's some edges. Here, I think this one really completes the look for below lah. So it completely covers.
This is not like most of the visors will be like just a straight cut, right?
Yeah, correct.
This one is just like edgy, you know.
I think this one maybe because this one conforms to the design here lah.
I find that this one is very snug. This one, Fog City, which is supposed to be a inner lining to prevent fogging of the visor. We will actually review this and test it out as well. So I think that will actually prevent from fogging. Because this is very snug, very close, you know. Very close.
I think if you're riding, no issue. Only when you're at a stoplight.
When raining.
Raining, yes.
Let me see if it is easy to take out the visor.
Or the pull of the mechanism, it comes off lah.
Okay.
Wow, easy
You actually need to tug a bit, you know. You know, if you notice, on this helmet, this one is like a longkang, no? Like a gutter. Something
so
like gutter.
When water or rain goes through it, it won't actually come inside the helmet lah.
Yes, I mean the way it is designed, right? So is to be very close with the visor. So when it rains, you know, water will just flow down from this gutter side and then down the helmet. Which is a very
nice design.
That my other helmet, the TRAX, also actually has this design. Yeah, we can always do a rain test. We can do a rain test
in the shower.
Previous old helmets, you know, they don't have this longkang. You know, water will trickle down inside the visor.
Yeah, I experienced that before.
And let's see the lining.
Oh, it has Velcro inside also.
It said Velcro. Oh, okay. There's reflective lining here, you know.
I think most helmets have lah.
The Vima doesn't have.
The Vima doesn't have.
Unfortunately.
I think those premium helmets have it.
Yeah, most premium helmets has it. Okay.
So it comes off in two pieces lah.
The inside shell, you know, has very deep grooves, which is for ventilation, and I really hope that you can feel its coolness, you know, because you know some helmets can be very hot, even though they say oh got ventilation, but you know it's pretty hot, you know. The cheek pad, there's no fumbling like when I did the Vima. There's a lot of fumbling, you know, when inserting and taking out. This one is pretty much straightforward. So you can actually take this thing out with a tug, and you can actually do your own cleaning, which is pretty simple.
Okay guys, so I'm gonna see how convenient it is. I mean, flipping down the visor, straightforward, pretty. I think for now, because it's still new, so it's pretty tight lah.
Yes.
Pretty tight lah. So yeah, and most important when you want to find the mechanism for the inner visor, it's quite close to my glasses but if you got no glasses, no issue lah. Oh, nice. Okay, so is it easy to find or not? Okay lah, quite easy to find lah. You just tap here, and then if you can feel, once you feel, you just push up, and then after that, suddenly get sunny find it, and then push it down. Straightforward lah. Alright guys, so once again, Chong Ike is the official dealer for the TRAX helmet here in Singapore.
And you can get this at most of the bike shops, workshops also.
And replacements, you can actually find replacement linings or extra lining. They can also be bought in Chong Ike.
Important thing is the visor. No matter how careful we are, we tend to drop the helmet, and then the visor gets scratched, plastic become broken.
Brittle lah after over time you wear it.
So and then some impact will actually structural damage, you know. So Chong Ike also sells the replacement visor for the TRAX helmet.
So the visor actually have a clear one and light smoke and iridium blue visor lah, but those two only pillion can wear lah. The clear one is strictly for when you are operating the bike lah. Yeah, and once again PSB approved this one is important lah. So Zaf actually do a riding review with the TRAX TG-263.
You can just check out my video on my YouTube channel, Zar on the Move.
Yeah, so maybe he will discuss about the helmet, how is it feel like riding with it, maybe the wind, is there good ventilation on it, is there any noise coming through, you know?
Just like how I did for my Vima Sharky helmet, I will do the same thing for the TRAX helmet.
Yeah.
And I must say that this TRAX helmet is a very well designed helmet. From the lining, the ventilation. For a budget helmet, this is a very well designed.
$80 is considered budget lah. Yeah. And once again, thank you Chong Ike for sponsoring us these helmets to do the review with. And don't forget to check out Zah's riding review of the TRAX helmet. And that's it for the vlog. And we will see you in the next one.